Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install VMware Workstation 17 Pro for free on Linux Mint operating systems. Okay, first go to vmware.com to download the VMware Workstation Pro. Hit enter. Then click on this search box. Then search for desktop hypervisor. See here we have the desktop hypervisor. Click on it. Click on desktop hypervisor. Then scroll down. See here we have the VMware Fusion Pro for Mac and VMware Workstation Pro for PC. Click on this VMware Workstation Pro for PC. Download now. Now it will ask us to sign in or register. See, if you have already registered, provide the email. Or if you don't have, then click on this login. Then click on register. Then you have to fill all the details. Then you can go to this page again. You can click on download now. Then you will be redirected to this page. Okay, I have already registered. So here provide the email or username that you have given. Then click on next. Again click on next. Then provide the password that we have given for this user. Then click on sign in. Now click on this drop down. Then select the VMware Cloud Foundation. Then scroll down. See here we have the VMware Workstation Pro. Click on it. See here we have the versions from 15 to 17. Okay. So click on VMware Workstation Pro 17. It is the latest one for the Linux. Click on it. See here we have the versions from 17.0 to 17.6. Okay. Click on the latest one, that is 17.6.1. Click on it. Now see here we have the VMware Workstation Pro for 17 Linux. It is bundle file. Click on download. See, download has been started. Okay, but sometimes you will have some checkbox to acceptance. Okay, then only you will be able to click on this download button. Okay, now see here its size is 372 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, open terminal. See, download is completed. Now go to terminal again. ls. Now see, this is the bundle file, so we have to make it as executable. Sudo chmod +x VMware, give the tab to autofill the entire file name. Hit enter. ls. Now it is executable. But before running this file, we have to install these packages. I will keep this comment in the video description. All are new versions. Okay, Control L. Now install the VMware Workstation Pro 17. Sudo hyphen, then give the VM /VM, give the tab and hit enter. See, installation was successful. Now go to start, all applications, scroll down at the bottom. See here we have the VMware Workstation. Click on it. Or simply you can search here also. VMware. See, you can search here. Then you can click on VMware Workstation. Okay. Now select the I accept the terms in the license agreement. Then click on next. Then select the I accept the terms in the license agreement. Then click on next. Would you like to check for product updates on startup? I don't want, so select no. Then click on next. I don't want to join CEIP. Click on next. See here, as I told you at the start, VMware Workstation Pro for free. See, this is for commercial, but personal use, you can select this one. I want license VMware Workstation 17 for personal use. So if you select this option, it is free. Okay, click on finish. Provide the password of the currently logged in user, that is root user. Click on OK. See, this is the VMware Workstation console. If you want to create a new virtual machine, you have to click on here. that is create a new virtual machine. If you want to open an existing virtual machine, you have to click on here. Again, if you want to create new virtual machine, click on file and select the new virtual machine. Okay, so we have successfully installed. So go to downloads, ls, remove this file. It is not required anymore because we have already installed. rm, give the tab, give the file name and give the tab to autofill the entire file name. Hit enter, ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install VMware Workstation 17 Pro for free on Linux Mint operating systems. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.